Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product and I'm going to review the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Cream Foundation. This is the Color Stay, Whipped Cream range, and there is this liquid foundation as well of the Color Stay range. The foundation it has SPF 20 and you get 23.7 milliliters of product, and the retail price for this one is, I got this one last year, and when I bought this it was for 875. Now I think it's 950 or something. I don't know. I think it's 950. But anyway, I was looking for a summer foundation because I have a Revlon Photo Ready foundation which is amazing, and that is my winter foundation. This one I was looking in the internet and I saw some good reviews about this one, so I got this, and this is in the shade 370 Natural Tan. This is the darkest shade. There are only 3 shades available in India, and this one is the darkest. Still it's light for me. It looks ashy on my face, which is really very annoying because here in India there are so many skin colored girls are there, and they really feel deprived when it comes to choose the actual shade for their foundation, and it's really very annoying that we can't find a perfect match. I set this one with a translucent powder that I have. I'll show you that one in the demo, and I set it with that powder, and then it looks natural on my face. Anyways, about the packaging, it comes in a glass tub like this. It's very heavy glass tub with a screw cap and a lid. Where's the lid? Oh, it's in here. Let me show it to you. Yeah, here is the lid, and when you open it, the actual product looks like this. It's in this form of cream as it says, and when you take it upside down it won't come off. It is that thick, very thick cream, and it is not at all travel friendly. It's very heavy, and if you want to take this foundation along with you, you have to take it in some small tubs, very small tubs, and then you can take it along with you. Other than that, you cannot. If you want, if you are comfortable carrying this heavy tub, you can definitely take it along with you, but I never take it along with me anywhere. So about the foundation, it is a great foundation, very nice foundation. It looks thick, but it looks thick, but it is very light on your skin. You need very little of it, and you can work it through on your skin, and it just melts on your skin and looks perfect. Looks really very natural on your skin, and it is a 24 hours foundation, but no one wants to wear a foundation for 24 hours. When I was testing this, I wore this foundation without primer for 12 hours, and it was there on my skin for 8 hours. I won't lie, it was there on my skin for 8 hours, which is, I think it's good for a foundation, because you won't wear a foundation for that long. I don't like to wear foundation for very long. I've tried applying this foundation with a brush, didn't work. With the foundation, it didn't work as well, but I use my fingers and it works wonders. The best tool that you have is your fingers, and the moment you take this one on your skin, whenever you take this foundation on your fingers or in your skin or in your palm, it instantly melts and glides on very smoothly and effortlessly. You don't have to rub it to blend it in your skin. It's that easy to work with, but with your fingers, and it stays there on your skin, as I told you, for 8 hours. This is a long wear foundation, a summer foundation. It gives a matte finish. It is completely matte. um yes, it's very matte. It gives you very matte finish. It doesn't look cakey at all. I mean, matte foundation, what they does is they um look very chalky on your face, but it doesn't look like that. It is a demi matte foundation, if I can say. And you can, definitely set it with powder, or you can leave it like that if it matches your skin. It doesn't match my skin, that's why I have to apply a powder. So that's that. And it does not break you out, which is a relief for me, because lately I've been having pimple prone skin. I don't know why. Maybe because of some cosmetics or something reacted me. So I was having bad acne, really bad acne of my life. And it didn't break me out even though. So I am wearing it right now, as you can see, and I have not applied any concealer of any sort. And this really covered the blemishes that I have, and my dark circles, and my I have a dark spot here, and it really covered that. So it's a great full coverage foundation. And it works as a concealer too. If you have it, if it matches your skin tone, you can use it as a concealer too. And being it thick, it does not feel thick or heavy on your face. Let's get to the demo. I'll show you the demo now. So I'm gonna apply it and show it to you how it looks on my skin. And yeah, I'll open the tub. And oh, the lid is already in there. Well, good for me. Okay, so the product looks like this. It's a very thick product. And I've tried using brush, I've tried using these sponges, but nothing worked for me except for my fingers. So I'm going to apply this foundation with the help of my fingers. So that's the single layer of it. And I know what you are thinking, it's very white on my face. It's giving my face a ashy look, but as I told you, there are only 3 shades, and the one that I got is the darkest of all. So this one is a bit white for me. And as I told you, I set it with my translucent powder, which is on a yellower, not yellow, on a orangish side. Let me show it to you. Yeah, this is my translucent powder which I use to set my foundation. See, it's more on the orange side. So if I accidentally buy some, or if I buy some foundation which is lighter for my skin tone, I set the foundation with this powder. Actually, I use this powder with every foundation of mine because I really love this powder. This is the single layer of the foundation. And as you can see, it's giving my skin a medium coverage instantly. It's a medium to buildable coverage foundation. So I'll show you if I can. Yes, yeah, story of my life. I'll show you now if we can pile this foundation up or not. So as you can see, it is definitely buildable, and it does not look cakey on your face. And it creases a little bit because your face isn't flat, right? And you have lines on your face, so it will settle on the fine lines. you can set it with powder. You definitely have to set it with some powder. So as I told you earlier, it looks white on my face because of the shade. And let me set it with my powder and show it to you how I covered the ashiness of this foundation on my face. I just apply this powder on my face, all over my face. So I've applied the powder, and now as you can see, it is looking more natural. So that's about it for the demo. Let's get back to the video. So that was the demo. Now I will jot everything down. First I will tell you the pros of this foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, medium to full coverage foundation. This is affordable. I mean, if you want to take some full coverage foundation, you must spend 1000 or above, but it is below that. And definitely it's a full coverage foundation. It works as a concealer, mind you. If you have light spots or blemishes, it will cover that, and you can use it as a concealer as well. And it has SPF 20. I never bother about the SPF property of any foundation, because whenever I go out I apply a sunscreen lotion, so I never see any sunscreen property in any foundation, but it comes with that, so that's okay. I mean, I don't mind. And for some people it is a pro, and it does not break you out. It gives you matte to demi matte finish. Depending on your skin, if you are very oily, it will give you demi matte. If you are not so oily, it will give you matte. For dry skin people, I would recommend use a moisturizer and then apply this foundation. Then it will look nice on you. I mean, otherwise it will look flaky. I mean, it will make your skin flaky. So dry skin people, just be careful about that, because it is matte and it stays all day long. Hands down, it stays all day long. And what else, you get 23.7 ml of product, and you need very little of it. A little goes a long way. It's thick, but when you apply it with your fingers, it melts on your skin, and you can, you know, apply it on your skin and you're good to go. It feels light on your skin, which is a big thumbs up, because whenever I apply, I have told you earlier in this video that whenever I apply a full coverage foundation, it feels very heavy on the skin, and whenever you apply this foundation, you will feel as if you are wearing nothing at all on your skin. So that's a very good, very good quality of this foundation. And yes, about the cons, the packaging I don't like. It's not at all travel friendly. It is a very hard, very heavy glass top. And the shades, there are only 3, and the darkest one is light for my skin tone. So people who have, I mean, girls or ladies who have darker skin tone than mine, I wouldn't recommend this one for you. I wish they have many colors, I mean many color option for us, like the dusky people, like dusky girls or ladies. I wish they have more colors, but this is the darkest and it's light for me. I can't think of any more cons about this one, only 2, the packaging and the shade. And rest assured is the best. I mean, it's the best foundation I have ever used, and this is my summer foundation, and I really love using this foundation because it's very light, very light, and does not break me out, and gives me a flawless finish. So if you are looking for a foundation which gives you a flawless finish, you can definitely go and purchase this one. So that's about it for the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Cream Foundation review. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye.